How to find SWIFT code in ABN AMRO. Follow my instructions. If you need to send or receive international payments, you'll need the SWIFT code for ABN AMRO. The SWIFT code identifies your bank worldwide and ensures your money goes to the right place. Here's how to quickly find it first. Know that the general SWIFT code for ABN AMRO is ABAN L2A. This code is used for most international transfers to the Netherlands, but sometimes your branch or account may require a specific version to double-check. Log in to your ABN AMRO internet banking or mobile app. Go to the section called Account Information or International Payments. There, you'll see your account's IBAN and the correct SWIFT code displayed. You can also find the SWIFT code on your bank statements or by calling ABN AMRO customer service. If you're making a payment from abroad, always confirm the code to avoid delays or failed transfers. And remember, for incoming international transfers, you'll need your full name, IBAN, and the ABN AMRO SWIFT code. Give these details to the sender so the payment arrives smoothly. That's it. That's how to find the SWIFT code in ABN AMRO for safe international transfers. Thanks for watching.